AI isn't just about bigger models anymore. It's about control. And Japan is making that crystal clear. Fujitsu has announced it will begin manufacturing made-in-Japan sovereign AI servers starting March 2026 at its Kasashima plant. These systems are built for mission-critical operations, where data protection, regulatory compliance, and operational autonomy are non-negotiable. Why now? Geopolitical shifts, rising cyber threats, and tighter regulations are forcing countries and enterprises to rethink where their AI infrastructure lives and who controls it. Under Japan's Economic Security Promotion Act, essential infrastructure providers are under growing pressure to strengthen system risk management and digital sovereignty. Fujitsu's answer is practical. The new servers will feature NVIDIA HGX B300 and NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs. Within fiscal year 2026, ending March 31, 2027, Fujitsu will also produce servers powered by its own high-performance, energy-efficient Fujitsu-MONAKA processor, incorporating confidential computing technology for enhanced security. Production will be fully domestic, from printed circuit boards starting June 2026 to device assembly in March 2026, ensuring full traceability and transparency. Kasashima Plant, known for manufacturing the Fugaku supercomputer, will handle production. Fujitsu is also expanding collaboration with Supermicrocomputer Inc. across planning, development, manufacturing, sales, and maintenance. These systems are planned for deployment in Japan and Europe. The big takeaway is this: sovereign AI is becoming core infrastructure. And infrastructure is about trust, control, and resilience. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with your take on sovereign AI. Then, watch the related video in the corner to see how this shift is reshaping global AI strategy. If you are building AI in a regulated or mission-critical environment, do not wait. Start thinking about sovereignty now and take control of your AI stack before the market forces you to.